Can't install WhatsApp from the Google Play Store? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that can solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now, find and open Google Play Store. Tap Storage. Then select Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data and confirm if prompted. Next, go back to the Apps list and open Google Play Services. Tap Storage again, then choose Clear Cache. Once that's done, close all your recent apps and reopen the Google Play Store. Now, search for WhatsApp Messenger and tap Install again. In most cases, clearing the Play Store cache and data fixes installation errors. If it still doesn't work, restart your phone and try installing WhatsApp one more time. And that's it. I hope this quick guide helped you fix the WhatsApp installation problem. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.